What's up YouTube? It's your girl Kat coming at you today with a real quick video on a clothes dryer that isn't heating or drying very well. For this particular project you will need a size 15 Torx screwdriver bit, or more commonly known as a star bit screwdriver. When you open the door to your dryer, you will find on the lower left and right hand corner two small screws that you'll use the star bit for. You want to take these two screws out prior to removing the front panel of the dryer. In order to remove the front panel of the dryer, there are two screws that must be accessed from the inside of the machine. Take the lid of the machine off by sliding a putty knife or a credit card into the crevice 2 to 3 inches in from either corner. Depress the metal clips to release the lid. Once you have released the lid, you now have access to the screws that you will need to remove the front panel. Once you lift the lid and access the screws, remove them using a 1/4 inch nut driver. Now that you have removed the screws, go ahead and lift the front panel of the dryer up and open. Now that the front panel is open, you have access to the inside of the machine and you can start cleaning everything out. Take a paintbrush and a vacuum cleaner and vacuum everything out, brush everything out the best you can. Once you finish with the inside of the machine, you can move on to the front panel and clean out the lint receptacle. So at the start of the project, we already removed the two screws from the front of the lint clamp, so we should be able to just pull it off now. And you can see here that it is just full of lint. Big fire hazard. So we're going to take some time and clean this out really well. After you get everything cleaned out pretty well, we're just going to put everything back together. When you're putting the lint trap back on, there's a small tab at the bottom that has to meet up with the machine. Just make sure when you're replacing this piece that you fit the tab in the little slot there. Once you're all finished putting your machine back together, you're going to want to flip it around and clean out the vent tube to the dryer itself, as well as the tubing that connects to the house.